Gold standard 18626. If we get a Texans card, we'll random them off. Otherwise, there is no need. Good luck if you're in this one. It's a very cool product. There's some big potential. Get a solid gold or something. That'll get me going. Good luck if you're in this one. Now this is a weird thing where we get the auto on the front, I believe. So we go from the back. Something like that. 21 of 24, Jalen Carter for the Eagles. For the Cardinals, 1 of 49, D-Hop. Motherload, 202 of 299, Traylon Burks. Dalton Kincaid to 399, Bills. Motherload of Eckler for the Chargers. That's Bailey's boys. 299. Now we can go this way. Quinton Johnson for the Chargers. 149. And that is very nice. 14 of 24. Tyler Scott for the Bears. I don't know if he's any good, but that's a really nice card. I hope they do a non-auto timeless moment set next year. Like not just the LeBron and whatever, the Curry, where there's like 3 or 4 each time, but maybe like some players doing non-basketball stuff or something. I don't know. Something different. 3 of 75, that may be jersey number unless it's cut off a number on the old picture. Nolan Smith. For the Ravens, 18 of 99, Mr. Andrews. Titans, 245, 299, Traylon Burks, gold year. We got a random to do. It's a nice one. Bijan Robinson and Jahmyr Gibbs, 19 of 24. Ooh, Jewel Patchy. Falcons and Lions and Bears. Oh my. 1 of 49, Deshaun Watson. Don't Google him. For the Giants, 7 of 49, Jalen Hyatt, triple patch auto. And Mate Mapu for the Patriots, 127 of 199. I don't know him. Get this random done. We want Falcons and Lions and Bears. Oh my. Bears aren't actually in it. I just want to say that. Falcons and Lions as they appear on the card 5 times on this list. Good luck. Falcons 5 times, and that is it for 18626.